Yeah, I'm dripping junket. How you doing, Ralphy here? Ralphy's Reviews, Team Knucklehead. Time for another mod review. Now, this is for the Purge. Speak no evil. They do 3. Speak no, see no, say no, evil, like the 3 wise monkeys. This is for the Purge Speak no evil styled mod. I'm a huge fan. I've got one of the skull mods from about a year ago that we still stock with the matching RDA. Fuck it hell, mind the teeth. I'm breaking them in for the dog. So when we got a chance to grab these Speak No Evils, I'm straight on it. We've got them in brass and copper. We'll look at the copper in the close up. Fucking brilliant bits of kit. Proper chunky monkey, kick your head in, solid, dependable, great bits of kit, yeah? Let's get in close, have a look. They're really, really simple, fucking bob on, honestly. Chunky monkey, if you like a good, solid, hard-hitting mechanical mod, you could go a lot worse than getting one of these, because they're fucking great. Anyway, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so here we go. No fancy packaging with this styled. You get the old obligatory, it seems nowadays, plastic tube. All sorts, got RDAs coming in, mods coming in. Works for me. Get him out. Fucking hell, it's quite tight this tube. Bear with. And there is the copper beast. Beaut. Rustle, rustle. Look at that fucker. Red-eyed. This etching is lovely. So we've got the Speak No Evil logo. So we've got the bandana over the mouth. I dare say, although I don't know, the Hear No Evil will be ears blocked and the See No Evil will be eyes blocked. You know, works for me. We've got a little bit of detailing. There we go, on the top there. Which the camera's not picking up great, but hopefully you'll see it. Same on the switch. We've got the logo on the switch. Which I'll try and get Purge. There, look. That picks it up. And the logo on the back. Lovely bit of kit. Switch comes out to fit your battery. The longest thread in all the land. Battery straight in with your atomizer already on. Put the switch in, tighten it up to take the battery slack out. Fucking job done. The button don't lock because it's flush fitting. So it's not going to auto fire unless you've got something in your pocket that presses on it. And you shouldn't be carrying a live mod with anything else in your pocket anyway. Big fuck off solid copper contact that you just push, boom, and away it fires. Massive vent holes in the bottom there. Should you suffer catastrophic failure, although if you use a bit of common sense you never will. And I'll just unscrew this button to show you the magnets. Bear with. Fucking chunky monk, look at that bastard. That's never gonna fucking let you down. Lovely, solid action. Little magnet in there, big magnet in there. Together they go. And the button screws onto that contact, which I'm struggling to do on camera, but we'll get there, won't we? There we go, started him off. So, screw him in. I like this crisscross as well, this, so you can grip it to do it in and out. It's lovely. Really, really well thought out, really well finished. Nice and clean, straight out of the box, ready to go. The tube itself comes apart. They do a stack on the authentic, but I've not seen them styled. And there's your lipstick look, to give it the red eyes, obviously. So you could change the colour there if you wanted by painting this a different colour. You could change the battery by screwing this bit in and out, but it's going to leave a gap there, which in my opinion looks shit. So I like to do it like this. Battery in, atomizer on, screw them up. Dead simple, you know, what's not to like? 26mm thereabouts, so it's a big fuck off chunky thing. Hybrid 510, super smooth threads, lovely magnetic switch. Quite a short throw when you've got it tight onto your battery. And the job's a fucking good one. You can't go wrong. Let's go back up top and have another vape. And we'll talk a little bit more. So there you have it. The Purge. Speak no evil. Lovely bit of kit. Super duper graphics. Nice and clean and tidy. Nice and easy to fucking use, you know, like I showed in the close-up. It's like unscrew, unscrew, unscrew. The longest threads in the world and proper fuck off chunky button. Battery in. Woo. Tighten them up. No rattle. Vape away. Never let you down. They're absolutely bob on. I'm not joking. I'm a huge fan. The one thing I will say is that they're quite fucking tall, you know, compared to the El Thunder and those other 18650 mods that are purposely made to be short in stature. These certainly fucking ain't made to be short in stature. But they fucking do it. There's nothing wrong with having a good handful of mods, you know. Where are we? Little bit poking out, none poking out in the top. You know, it's about a hand size. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. So good, solid, dependable, stylish. You could wrap it in a sock, beat someone up with it, take it out and still vape with it. It will put you firmly on that steam train to fucking Flavour Town. It is a winner winner chicken fucking dinner. Nice one. Dead simple, dead quick, can't go wrong. Fit it, forget it, vape it, love it. Thanks for tuning in. Quick one from me. Have a wonderful, wonderful 2018. And remember people, smoking kills, vaping saves lives. Which do you choose? I'll see you all again really soon.